Hi YouTube, this is Lewis with Rosebuds Travels. We are packing up the casita to go on a trip, and in this video I just want to show you a quick overview of just a quick view of kind of how we're packing stuff. Katie's going to do a more in-depth detail of our closet organization stuff, but I wanted to show you kind of roughly how the closet packs, just to give you a quick view. So we're packing all up. Katie's got, I think, all of her stuff in here now, and I don't have my clothes in here yet, but I'm working on that. So I'll show you how this works. We love these hooks, by the way. They're great. They're really, really neat. Okay, here is our closet packed for this trip, except for my clothes. So, shoe nook down there with some shoes that we're taking with us. There are some boxes and with things Katie has packed, and our outside shower thing is back there in the back. What we use for clothes are these packing cubes. So the packing cubes are what we use for clothes, and they go on there easily. And then we do have hanging space, and then we do use the space at the back for other things that we need to take along the trip. So these shelves have a lot of usable space in them to use for whatever we need to take. So there's beach towels and stuff, the bigger towels that we don't use all the time, but sometimes we do need them, and hats and that kind of stuff. So just wanted to show you kind of how it roughly packs. And then it does also allow for hanging space, which is great, because then you can have a jacket or possibly a shirt or a dress, something that you need to hang. But and most of the time we just have jackets that we take. And these packing cubes work great for clothes, because you put them on the shelf, and Katie's got a couple and I have a couple, and we like I said, I haven't packed mine in here yet, but I'll do that pretty quick. So just wanted to show you real quick. So that's how the closet goes together. So have a great afternoon. See you in the next video.